Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this video we will discuss the output devices. First of all, what is output devices? Output devices consist of computer components such as monitor, printer, speaker, plotter that transfer information from computer memory to outside world. They display or print text, graphics or pictures. The output generates on paper by the output device such as printer or plotter is called hard copy output. The output in the form of data or information stored on a storage device or display on a monitor is called soft copy. Monitor. Some examples of output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. First of all, monitor. Monitor, sometimes called visual display unit. It is an electronic output device for computer. It displays the results for the user's activities. The output produced by a monitor is called soft copy output. There are different types and size of monitors. Each can be distinguished on the basis of following features: size, color, pixels, resolution and dot pitch. Now first of all we will discuss size. The size of monitor is measured diagonal. Standard size of monitor is from 15 to 22 inches. The next, color. The monitor can be either black and white or color. Pixels. Pixels is a small tiny dot on the monitor which forms the image. Resolution. The number of pixels per square inch is called resolution of the monitor. And the last, dot pitch. The distance between the pixels on the monitor is called dot pitch. And the next is printer. Printer are used to produce hard copy of output. In past, printers were connected to the computer through parallel ports, but now they are connected through USB port. Printers vary in capabilities based on these characters. First, quality of output, ability to print graphics, the printing speed. There are two main categories of printers: impact printer and non-impact printer. First, we will discuss impact printer. Impact printers are those printers which works like typewriter. Impact printers use electromechanical mechanism which causes the character shapes to strike against the paper and leave an image of character on the paper. Examples of impact printers are dot matrix and chain printers. These printers printing quality is low and produce noise. And the next one is non-impact printer. Non-impact printers produce a print image without striking the paper. Printing quality and speed of the printer is better than impact printer. These printers produce little noise while printing. Commonly used non-impact printers are inkjet and laser printer. Now what is inkjet? Inkjet printers are characters printer. They form characters, all kind of images by spraying small drops of inks on the paper. Inkjet printers are cheap and quiet in operations and can print in multicolor, but the printing quality and speed is low. Then laser printer. Now what is laser printer? Laser printers are page printer, meaning that they print an entire page at a time. The printing technology is very similar to photocopiers. They are very fast and silent in operations. The printer quality of laser printers is very high and they can print graphics in multicolors. And the next output device is plotter. Plotter is an output device used to produce large size of hard copies output. Plotters are used for variety of applications which includes drawing, graphs, making maps. Plotters civil engineering also used in civil engineering drawings, machines, components and produce large size of panaflex. Plotters are two types. Number one is flatbed and number two is drum plotter. Flatbed plotters. Plotters plots on paper that is spread and fixed over a rectangular flatbed. Pens of different colors are mounted in the pen holding mechanism that moves on the surface to draw the image. Now, how drum plotters work? In drum plotter, paper sheet is fed from the one side and drum of the plotter rotates to move on the paper to the other sides. These plotters are used to print large size of panaflex. And the last output device here we are going to discuss is speakers. Speakers are audio output device that are attached to the sound card on the motherboard. Speaker produce soft copy output in the form of voice. Thank you students. Here we will end our first unit overview of computer system. In the next video we will discuss unit number 2 computer memory. Thanks.